So yeah guy back on it again, you know. They are on Caveman job again. For part 2. Part few. So just they run out the pipe them. We go towards the soak away and the septic tank, you know. So just stay tuned and just watch what goes in. Talk to you now, brother. So
alright, we there have on Caveman place, you know.
One max out the thing them.
Go and finish up the piping work. Soak away, you know.
So run out the wastewater line. Finish up everything so you can get in place and know if you living and things. So go and match up it. So just watch what go on, guys.
Hot out here.
So hot, man. Hot, brother. Place I know if everything is again,
Yeah, man.
yeah, guys, this is my YouTube channel, but here we go on. We are work on behalf of Mr. Slowly the MP Jerry and Nephew Foundation and Tanya. So for Tanya YouTube page at Chat Jamaican, so we are our collab and I make this. So me I do the video in my plumbing work, then I go finish the rest of video with the house and so it's just a collaboration video with her and thing, because respectfully she and other persons find out about Caveman living condition and then come on board and start do what them fi do, you know. So me just there as the plumber. I do my part of job. And plumbing is my profession. But I'm a YouTuber also, so just I go and do the thing. So this program, I know my program, but me just a video my part. I do a vlog on my part and make sure say everything good, you know. So just go and watch and see. And somebody in the comment section did say whatever Tanya program and thing, but me just make it ear clear say I know my thing, me just do my part and then I go match up the rest of part. So just I go and do my thing, you know. Electrical. Place full of water, guys, so I don't know about I'm not sure if the septic tank can go in today, because we have a lot of rain for the past couple of weeks now. So the two hole them that the tractor guy dig, them full up right now, full to the brim. So I have to just try see as best so we can work around them and things. So just go on, watch and show you all of the necessary things that I want to see. So after this video, Tanya will take over and do for her part.
You ready, man? Also?
Eh? I'm put the axe on.
The axe on, yeah.
Sun turbo, that's a yellow.
Hello.
Feel how we see.
Hmm?
My hand was broke, isn't it?
To do that up.
Yeah, man. That me free. Last night it hurt me.
You get one band for him.
Yeah, one band boy, put on the band. So he put on the band, he make my hand swell up, you see.
And
one day if I tight, me put on it too tight.
But that's why you push a big finger through.
My hand swell up, put on. Man, you can keep people them, you can throw them all the pits full of water and things as well, you see me?
Caveman place a come on, you know. Pipe you saying can get for using bathroom and in kitchen. It's like pit full of water, you know.
What him full of water for them
But the man who full of water, so we can't go much work in them, you know.
So yeah guys, so when we finish we give our next. Yeah guys, piping kind of finish now. Just the pipe, the 4 inches pipe. We go if you run go to the pit now. Here we set up the tank now. So just need it to full now and thing. And then make the rest of connections and thing. And see the big man, they can heal up the people them same way.
Respect,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yes.
Just they are going match up the plumbing work and then ton of them we do for them rest of work and one thing. So yeah guys, so basically like this we know.